This footage serves as a sobering reminder of the critical importance of staying alert near elevated ledges and areas lacking safety barriers. The video captures a group of colleagues chatting in a high-floor corridor when one woman casually sits on a low ledge near a stairwell that lacks a protective railing. As she interacts with a friend, she suddenly loses her balance, slides off the ledge, and falls into the open space below. This unfortunate event highlights the necessity of following basic safety protocols. Never sit or lean on low walls or ledges, as they pose a significant fall risk. High-altitude balconies and stairwells are not appropriate places for horseplay, as a lack of focus can lead to unpredictable consequences. Always maintain a safe distance from open edges and look out for others. Safety is a shared responsibility. This footage serves as a critical reminder of the vital importance of occupational safety in industrial environments, specifically regarding conveyor systems. The video captures a young worker operating near an active system who, in a momentary lapse of judgment, attempts to step onto the machinery frame instead of using designated walkways. Due to the slick surface and mechanical force, he loses his footing and becomes trapped in the gap between moving components. This highlights essential protocols. Never step on active machinery, as conveyors are for cargo only. Workers must always remain within yellow-line safety zones and avoid shortcuts. High-energy environments require total focus, as distractions can lead to severe consequences. Always respect machine guards and never reach into moving parts. This footage serves as a sobering reminder of the critical importance of staying alert near elevated ledges and areas lacking safety barriers. The video captures a group of colleagues chatting in a high-floor corridor when one woman casually sits on a low ledge near a stairwell that lacks a protective railing. As she interacts with her friend, she suddenly loses her balance, slides off the ledge, and falls into the open space below, leaving witnesses in total shock. This unfortunate event highlights the necessity of following basic safety protocols. Never sit or lean on low walls or ledges, as they pose a significant fall risk. High-altitude balconies and stairwells are not appropriate places for horseplay, as a lack of focus can lead to unpredictable consequences. Always maintain a safe distance from open edges and look out for others. Its safety is a shared responsibility. This workplace safety alert highlights the hazards of tire inflation, as seen in CCTV footage from an Indian repair shop. While a technician was inflating a large tire on the ground, the unit suffered a violent rupture due to extreme pressure. The blast force caused severe facial injuries and an immediate collapse requiring urgent medical care. This serves as a vital reminder to follow strict safety protocols. Always use certified inflation cages to contain potential debris, and utilize long hose clip-on chucks to maintain a safe distance from the trajectory zone. Monitoring PSI levels with accurate gauges and inspecting tires for structural integrity, such as cracks or bulges, is essential. Prioritizing proper equipment and distance ensures that routine maintenance remains safe and prevents life-altering accidents. This footage captures a severe safety incident at a construction site where workers were moving debris. While the crew was focused on ground tasks, a large pallet of materials unexpectedly fell from an upper floor, striking a worker below. This event happened in a split second, leaving no time to react and resulting in a devastating outcome. This incident serves as a critical reminder to follow safety protocols in high-risk zones. Hard barricaded red zones and clear signage must be maintained under any overhead work to prevent unauthorized access. All pallets and hoisting gear must be thoroughly inspected for structural integrity before lifting. While a hard hat cannot withstand every extreme impact, consistent PPE use is a vital line of defense. Training must emphasize situational awareness to ensure workers stay heads up and stay safe. This footage documents a severe industrial accident involving a specialized utility truck. where an employee inadvertently stepped into a high-risk pinch point as heavy mechanical components converged. Due to a lapse in situational awareness or communication, the hydraulic system engaged while the individual was in the path of travel, leading to a devastating incident. This underscores how quickly machinery can cause harm when safety boundaries are crossed. To ensure protection, never place any body part within the range of active hydraulic joints. Always maintain a safe distance from lift gates and only approach once equipment is stationary and secured. Operators must use clear hand signals before activating moving parts, and only trained personnel should handle high-risk machinery. Operational safety depends on vigilance. This video captures a critical incident at a repair shop involving high-pressure truck tires. While two men were checking and inflating a heavy-duty tire, a sudden and massive explosion occurred, likely due to excessive internal pressure, a technical flaw, or a misaligned rim. The instantaneous release of compressed air forcefully through those nearby and created a thick cloud of dust. This serves as a vital lesson in workplace safety. To prevent such accidents, always use a safety cage or steel frame to contain potential debris. Workers must maintain a safe distance and avoid leaning directly over the tire during inflation, preferably using long-distance hoses with remote gauges. Additionally, it is essential to inspect tires for wear and ensure rims are properly seated before increasing pressure. Always wear protective gear like goggles and helmets in high-risk environments. This footage documents a critical industrial incident at a warehouse in Arad, Romania, involving a forklift and a pedestrian. Due to a lack of situational awareness and improper speed control, the operator collided with an individual in the vehicle's path. The sudden impact caused the pedestrian to be trapped beneath the machinery, leading to a serious emergency. This event underscores how a single moment of inattention can have life-altering consequences. To ensure workplace safety, a zero-tolerance policy for impairment is essential. Operators must remain fully alert at all times. Additionally, maintaining clear 360-degree lines of sight and using spotters for blind spots is vital. Facilities should implement designated traffic zones to separate pedestrians from heavy equipment. Finally, pedestrian vigilance is key to avoiding dangerous contact with active machinery. The footage shows a dump truck operating on a sloped and unstable surface. During unloading, the ground unexpectedly loses its strength and the vehicle gradually begins to lose balance. As the truck tilts sideways, sparks appear from metal friction. Within seconds, a fire starts underneath the vehicle. As soon as the operator realizes the situation, he jumps out of the cabin within seconds and saves himself. Shortly after, the truck is completely engulfed in flames and slides uncontrollably down the slope. Ground stability must always be checked before working on sloped or soft surfaces. Fuel systems and fire prevention equipment in heavy machinery should be regularly inspected. Operators must always know emergency exit plans and keep escape routes clear. This footage serves as a sobering reminder of the hazards in logistics and material handling, documenting a severe industrial accident. During the overflow, dying of long, heavy steel beams. During the process, a failure to stabilize the cargo caused a sudden shift, pinning a worker who was positioned within the immediate fall zone. This incident highlights the necessity of following safety standards, such as establishing a safe perimeter to stay out of the strike zone. Heavy loads must remain secured with straps until moved by mechanical means, like forklifts or cranes, to avoid the risks of manual handling. Utilizing trained spotters to identify potential hazards is essential, as a single moment of complacency can lead to life-altering consequences. Always prioritize proper safety procedures over speed to ensure every worker returns home safely.